Hey, are you the type of trader that the moment you get into a trading position, you immediately become an emotional wreck? I mean, your palms get sweaty, you feel like getting out of that position. Every 1 or 2 minutes, you feel like you need to check on that position. If you are that type of trader who experiences anxiety when you're in a trading position, let's fix that. Now, as a trader myself who's been trading for 4 years now, this was one of my hardest things to overcome. And I'm telling you, if you do not overcome anxiety in your trades or during your trades, trust me, you will never turn profitable, because sometimes even before your trade or price actually gets to your TP, you end up maybe closing that particular position. And this is not a position you want to be in as a trader. You must be able to see through your trade until it gets to TP or maybe your stop loss. Now, through these same exact 5 steps that I'm going to be sharing in this video, you'll be able to overcome this anxiety and become a profitable trader, just like I was able to turn things around and become profitable to start collecting payout after payout from these prop firms. So definitely you want to stick around, because step number 5 is what is really going to change your game. And of course, if you find value from this video, remember to like, subscribe, and maybe share this video with a friend or colleague out there that experiences anxiety during their trades. So let's get into the video. Now, let's first understand the reason behind that anxiety you feel when you're in that particular position. I'll tell you this, that number 1 is the fear of losing money. We all don't want to lose our hard-earned money. So that's the reason you feel like, everything is breaking down that moment you get into the trade. And then the other reason you feel anxious would be because of the uncertainty of the market direction. You don't know if it's still going down or if it's continuing up. You do not know exactly what's going to happen in the market. So it is just natural. You start getting anxious, you think maybe your money is going to be lost. So that's the reason as to why you feel anxious during your trades. Now, as I've just said, this is very natural. Our brain tries to actually protect us from this imminent danger that is coming against us. So what it ends up doing is basically, you having sweaty palms and all that. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing exactly how the professional and profitable traders actually turn this anxiety and fear into focus. With the first step, you need to have a trading plan. I mean, imagine yourself maybe going on a road trip somewhere without a map. I mean, you do not know anything about that particular road trip. You're just wandering around, maybe driving to this place or driving to the other place. If you are like that, trust me, you will get lost and probably you will end up nowhere. But with a trading plan, if you are a trader that has a trading plan, that you know exactly how you're going to enter the market, how you're going to exit. Let's say if price hits your stop loss, this is how you're going to be exiting. Or if price goes to your TP, you know exactly the number of pips you're targeting in that particular maybe trade. So if you know all these and you've listed them down, that A, B, C, D is how I'm going to go through this trade, trust me, you will not feel anxiety or you will not be anxious in your trades. So you need to have a trading plan, because this is going to be your guide through your trade. The second step is actually you being able to manage your risk. Now, I'll take you back to the golden rule. When you are trading, only and only risk 1% of your account. You can risk 1% or less, because trust me, even when you take a loss in the market, with just that 1%, you're able to actually bounce back without feeling any pinch. Or every time you actually lose a trade, you will not feel a pinch. But imagine yourself if you've, let's say, taken a trade and you've lost maybe 15 or 20% on that one single trade. What is going to end up happening is that when you come back, you will want to actually make back that 15% by even maybe risking more than the 15% you earlier risked. And what ends up happening is that that next big risk you're going to take, you're going to lose more again, and this is going to mess you up, and it will mess up your account. Most times you're even going to end up blowing your account. So you do not want to be in this situation. Try and manage your risk well. Once you get this into your head, trust me, you will not feel anxious at all during your trade. Step number 3 is for you to embrace emotional discipline. I'll tell you this, as a trader, if you are not emotionally stable, you will not become a profitable trader. The thing you need to do is for you to detach your emotions from the outcome of that particular trade. Once you start doing this as a trader, trust me, this will help you a lot. Stop looking at just that one trade that you're actually taking at that particular time. Start evaluating yourself maybe after 10 trades, maybe after 20 trades. This is how you're going to actually be able to manage your emotions well. Don't think that one particular trade is what is going to define you as a trader. It is through a series of trades that you should be able to evaluate yourself and say, maybe after 20 trades, how have I performed? Have I gotten maybe 10 out of those correct? So this is how you're going to start evaluating yourself for you to be able to stay profitable as a trader. So this will obviously go back to you, the type of strategy that you use. If you know you have a fully back-tested strategy, maybe with 100 or more trades, definitely this gives you good confidence to go into the market and be able to, perform without any fear. And then only and only start evaluating yourself maybe after 10 trades, after 20 trades. That way you'll be able to stay profitable in the markets and be able to trade without any kinds of emotion. The 4th step that I would like you to undertake is for you to embark on continuous learning. Never stop learning. If you're a trader, never stop learning. I mean, there are so many psychology books out there, especially trading psychology books, like maybe Market Wizards or Trading in the Zone, which is one of my favorites. This is like the trader's Bible. You have to keep reading this book over and over again, because each time or every time you actually read this particular book, there's 1 or 2 things that you pick up on, and trust me, these always stay with you as a trader. So never stop learning. And if you are to take anything away from this particular video, this is the fact that as I've just explained in the previous step, you do not have to evaluate yourself by just that one trade. I like how Mark Douglas really emphasizes this in his book Trading in the Zone, where you do not have to only evaluate yourself using that one trade. It is only after a series of trades that you actually get to evaluate this. So once you put this in your mind, trust me, you will be able to perform as a top trader, because you're not going to be affected by just that one trade. Only and only think about maybe the next 10 trades or maybe the next 20 trades. This is how you're going to stay afloat and stay profitable as a trader. With the 5th step is for you to have a support system around you. Try and look maybe within your area. If there are any other traders within your area, you can always meet once in a while, or maybe even virtually meet every day, maybe to discuss maybe how your trading day went. Have someone around you that knows exactly what you're doing, because that way you will be able to emotionally confine in these people and be able to talk to someone about maybe the loss you took, the kinds of mistakes that you make, and maybe this person might have a solution for you. So try and use other people to your advantage, especially your other trader friends. So do not only, be alone in your room somewhere and you are trading, because trading sometimes can be a very lonely journey. So do not only confine yourself to yourself. So basically these are the 5 steps that I believe if you actually go ahead and implement all these in your trading, trust me, you will not stay the same. You'll be able to overcome this anxiety that comes over you every time you put on a trade. So this is it, guys. I hope you liked this particular episode or this particular video. In case you did, please go ahead, leave a comment, let me know exactly what stood out for you in this particular video, and as well, like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend or colleague that faces or struggles with anxiety when it comes to their trading. So thank you so much for watching, guys. For more content, especially trading psychology content, check out this next video.